Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you succeed on Amazon. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a percentage off promotion in Seller Central. This is a great way to increase sales and attract new customers by offering discounts. Let's get started. First, go to Amazon Seller Central and log into your account. You'll want to be on the main dashboard where all your tools are located. Next, on the top navigation bar, hover over Advertising and then click on Promotions. Once you're in the Promotions section, you'll see a few options. Here you'll see different promotion options such as promo code, percentage off, and buy one, get one free. We're going to select percentage off from the Create a Promotion menu. Now we're in the Setup page. Here you'll need to configure a few important details. Here you can set the minimum purchase quantity required to receive the discount. For example, you might want the discount to only apply if a customer buys 2 or more of a product. You can set a discount for every purchase, enter quantity of 2 or more to nudge shoppers to buy more of your products to qualify for the promotion. Next, choose the ASINs or SKUs for the products this discount will apply to. You can add specific products or select your entire catalogue. Set the discount percentage you want to offer. For example, if you want to give 15% off, enter that here. Enter the percentage discount you'd like to offer buyers here. Next, in the Applied to section, select the item or items you want the discount to apply to. After that, set your budget. Amazon will automatically stop the promotion once 80% of your budget is used. Amazon will also create a default offer tier. If you'd like to add more tiers, you can do so. For example, if a buyer purchases 3 units, they can get 3% off, and you can continue adding more tiers as needed. Next, set the start and end dates for your promotion. This helps control when the discount will be active. It's important to schedule promotions for special events like Black Friday or back-to-school sales. Enter a promotion title for your reference. This is just for internal tracking and will not be visible to Amazon customers. Now you can add a claim code if you want your promotion to be available only to specific customers who enter the code during checkout. If you leave this blank, the promotion will be available to everyone. Next, it's important to decide whether you want to allow stacking with other promotions. For now, I'll select the option to prevent stacking. But if you want to let customers combine this promotion with others, you can choose Stacking Allowed. Here you can customize the message that will appear on the product detail page. For example, you can enter something like "Get up to 5% off", which will be visible to customers when they view your product. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click Review. This will let you double-check all the details before submitting the promotion. Once you click Submit, your promotion will appear as a partner offer in this section. So, let's go ahead and click Submit to make this offer live. And that's it. You've just created a percentage off promotion in Seller Central. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.